In this video, I'm going to teach you how to award XP inside of UEFN. To set up XP, we need to know when we're giving it, and we need to use a device called the accolades device. Type in accolades into your content browser, and you will find this device. There are some settings that we need to change for this to work properly. We need to know the name and the description. This isn't necessary, but I usually just write the same thing. So I write whatever reason we're giving them XP and just put it in both of these columns. XP awards, you can keep this the same. Limit count, that's if you want to have this XP be only rewarded a couple of times. Splash size can stay to automatic. Enable during phase, this is fine. Triggering player only, you enable this if you only want the person that got the reward or finished that criteria to get the XP. Before we continue, I've got a course, first link in the description. You can also help me out by using creator code GISMO in the item store. If, for example, in this accolade device, I wanted to award XP from an elimination, there's two ways I could do that. I could get a tracker device and have stat tracker eliminations. This would be if I wanted to only give XP when they get a certain amount of kills. For example, on default, that was 10. We'd do award tracker when complete. But say, for example, I instead wanted to give them XP every single elimination. I would then press award XP from elimination manager on elimination. Once you've set this up, you can test it inside of live session by just clicking play, start game. It should show up on your screen, test XP. That means you've correctly set up the accolade device, but just because you've set up the accolade device correctly does not mean your island will be given XP. You will start receiving emails from Epic saying that your map is either calibrating XP or it's awarding XP. The reason this is done is to try and prevent XP exploits. If you found this video, check out the first link in the description, use creator code GISMO and subscribe.